You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Kkooti y'Emmengo olunaku olwalerezzemu okutuula okuwulira omusango oguvunaanibwa abavubuka omwenda abaasaalimbira ku kkanisa y'Omusumba Kayanja eyammirako ssenta n'okumwogerera amafuukuule nga bagamba nti yabasiyaga. Collin Kisaakye omu ku bano olunaku olwaleero naye agudde mu buzibu bw'akajojijoji w'ebibuuzo abadde amubuuzibwa bannamateeka b'oludda lwa Pastor Ssenyonga, era ng'ono mu kuddamu ebibuuzo ayongedde okakasa kkooti nti ddala Ssenyonga yabasuubiza ensimbi okwonoona erinnya lya Kayanja nga bamulumiriza okubasiyaga.
Joel Kalungi, Tumukunde Simon, Regan Sentongo, and Magom Sam.
Then you say again that after you went back, they called you back.
Yes.
And this was the last time you were paid.
Yeah.
Whom were you paid with?
With Joel Kalungi, Tumukunde Simon, Magom Sam, Sebale Adrian, Serugo Peter, Liazi Henry.
That is it.
I'm trying to recap on all of them and others. Yeah.
When you were at the church, did any of you people throw stones?
Not that I can remember.
I want to take you again to the calls you talked about, that you are having calls between A1 to A6. That is the Ssenyonga Regan, Serugo Michael, Serugo Peter, Wakamala Alex, Kakolo Martin, and Labib Calvin.
Yes, sir.
How often were you communicating with them on the phone?
Not that often, because our calls were most of the time simply to greet each other. Others when we were at the farm, like with Serugo, Peter, and Regan Sentongo, we were communicating about work at the farm. Yes, sir.
So these calls continued before the 17th and after the 17th, right?
Not
these communications.
Not after the 17th.
Yes, but okay, prior to the 17th.
Yeah, before
you still had communications talking about work, greeting each other, correct?
Yes, sir.
You also mentioned that you used to have mobile money transactions.
Yes, sir.
With the Ssenyonga.
Yes, sir.
On Ssenyonga's phone, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you said he would send you money, correct?
Yes, sir.
Whose name was reflected on the phone? Was it his phone?
I do not recall the name, but it was the phone number was not registered in the names of Regan Ssenyonga.
Yes, but you saw the mobile. I believe you had the record that it would show the name.
Yeah.
What name was that?
I do not recall the name, sir.
That is all the order.
Ddala kkooti eyimiriziddwa oluvannyuma lwa munnamateeka w'abasibe okusaba omulamuzi kkooti eyimirire nti kubanga omwana we ali ku ssomero abadde afunye obuzibu. Bw'atyo omulamuzi Adamuzi Byalugaba ayongezaayo omusango guno okutuuka ng'ennaku z'omwezi 19 omwezi ogwokubiri. Ssenyonga azaalumiriza Kayanja nti asiyaga so nga Kayanja azze yeewozaako wamu n'okuleeta obujulizi obukakasa nti Ssenyonga agenderera kumwonoonera linnya ng'awa abantu ensimbi okumulumiriza.